Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning students, and how are you today? I hope you are always fine, healthy, and happy. Bertemu lagi dengan Sir Yogi di pembelajaran bahasa Inggris. Hari ini kita akan belajar tentang apa ya? Langsung saja simak penjelasan Mr. Yogi setelah ini. My beloved students, di pertemuan sebelumnya, we have learned about school subjects. Apa itu school subjects? Ada yang masih ingat? Apa? Yap, benar sekali. School subjects merupakan cabang ilmu pengetahuan yang kita pelajari di sekolah. For example, English, Science, Math, Art, PE or Physical Education, Islamic Education, dan ada masih beberapa mata pelajaran yang spesifik dan tentunya berbeda setiap level pendidikannya. Nah, kira-kira hari ini kita akan belajar tentang apa ya? Hari ini kita akan belajar tentang sesuatu yang masih berhubungan dengan sekolah, yaitu kita akan belajar about school objects. School objects. School subjects itu apa aja sih? Nah, simak ya sekarang. Let's get started. School objects. School objects are things that we used for schooling. Adalah benda-benda yang kita gunakan untuk sekolah. Contohnya, this is a bag. This is a bag. Or this is a school bag. Inside the bag, there are pencil case, rubber, books, pencil, and pen. We can also find crayons, sharpener, glue, ruler, and stapler. In the classroom, we can find clock, board, map, desk, and chair. My beloved students, let's check for my school objects. Let's see what inside my school bag. This is my school bag. This is my school bag. Let's see what I have inside the bag. Inside the bag, I have a textbook. A textbook. I also have notebook. A notebook. I also have my pencil case. My pencil case. Let's check what I have inside. Inside my pencil case, I have some of the things. This is a pencil. Pencil. I also have some red pens. Red pens. I also have some markers. And this one is a correction pen. I still have some of the things. This is sharpener. Sharpener. To sharpen your pencil. This is a sticky note. Sticky notes. I have this. This is glue. Glue. And that's it. That's what I have inside my pencil case. Wait, I forget one thing. I have a ruler. Now, can you tell me what inside your school bag? My beloved students, that is for today's lesson. I hope you learned something new. Thank you so much for having me today. Don't forget to always practice the last I say. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.